Nice, congrats. Wish you all the best.
मैडम जी ठंडा पानी जी पी सोनू आउंदिया वेख के मेरा शीतल हो गया जी मैं सच आखदी जी कागजां दे ककरे नू कचवाई लाउण लवा डारिए साडे बंगले नू हाय साडे बंगले दूसरी घर साडे आए ਅਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲੇ ਨਾ ਸੁਮਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜੀ
Welcome, doctor. Welcome,
अच्छा, थैंक यू सर। स्वागत है आपका।
राजी सर सामने देखो।
अभिनंदन है आपका। वेलकम। Thank you very much.
राजी सर
Rising with the vision, enlightening human mind and social empowerment through education. Mission of education, transforming the youth into a productive asset of society through value-based quality education, focusing on their all-round development in order to enable them to contribute in the progress of society to their utmost potential. Establishment of the college to tribute the 500th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first manifestation and the ultimate aims of education. Guru Nanak College, Budlata was established in 1971 with a noble cause to make education accessible and affordable to the people of this rural, backward and remote area. Sir, about the areas. As per the census 2011, district Mansa has lowest literacy rate. About the college. The college is basically situated in the rural area that has recently been counted in the boundary of municipal committee in August 2014. The college is granted a statutory body established by the Parliament of India under Sikh Gurdwara Act 1925. It runs educational profile of the management. SCPC run 2 universities, 43 colleges in which 35 degree colleges, 2 autonomous colleges, 1 medical colleges, 3 engineering and politics colleges, 2 civic study colleges. SCPC run total education institutes 134. SCPC has signed MOU with foreign university, UK, Canada, New Zealand, in which Cambridge, Vinitech and Sheridan. A brief history of the college. The college, as per the needs of the hour and the area, took an initiative to start 15 new courses in the last 5 years. At present, the college is running 16 PG and 12 UG courses, including 3 skill development vocational courses and 4 add-on courses. In order to not only produce job-ready skilled professionals, but also to promote self-employment. These are as under BVOC software development, BVOC fashion technology, BVOC food processing. It is not an exaggeration to say that this college was one of the 8 colleges in Punjab selected by UGC to start such courses. The faculty members of the college, in consultation with various industry experts, have also themselves developed curriculum of these courses. These courses are based on has signed 18 MOU with various reputed companies to provide guidance, training and placement services to the student of these courses. It is worth mentioning that 12 out of 13 students of first batch of VWAP Fashion Technology have been placed in different companies, and 18 out of 24 students of VWAP Software Development have got offer letters. Students of VWAP Food Processing, whose first batch is yet to be passed out next year, are also expected to get jobs, as this is an agriculture belt and the central government has announced 4 mega food parks in nearby areas. Sir, courses of profile: institution runs 16 post-graduation course, 12. Sir, increase in number of courses. In Punjab, 2005 to 15, the college has appointed 51 regular faculty members under management aided post after 2008. At present, the college has 171 faculty members comprising 25 PhD, 46 MPhil, 62 UGC NET and 27 pursuing PhD. The overall teacher-student ratio of the college is 1:36. The college has also recently advertised 7 government-aided posts and 4 management-aided posts. Faculty recruitment and promotion. The college follows the rules and regulations of UGC, Punjabi University and the Government of Punjab for the recruitment and promotion of faculty. They are also given pay protection. The college also implements the revised pay scales instantly after the notification of state government. Faculty is facilitated with all other benefits. Residence facility is given especially to female staff members. Special fee concession is given to ward of faculty members. Increase in the number of faculty. So, a large number of awards have been Paramjit Kaur Assistant Professor in English, State Award entitled Best Doctor of Punjab under the scheme Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in 2016. Vikramjit Singh, Associate Professor in Chemistry, Bronze Certificate by Ministry of Finance, Government of India, 2016, appreciated as taxpayer. Dr. Major Jaspal Singh, Associate Professor in English, Appreciation Certificate by Additional Director General, NCC of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh for his outstanding performance during 2016. It is worth mentioning that the college management has rewarded its staff members with a special increment in February 2014 in order to recognize their services and contribution for the development of the college. A large number of our staff members are members of various educational committees in university, but I have highlighted a few. Dr. Kuldeep Singh Pal, Academic Council of Punjabi University Patiala, Dr. Satpur Singh, Faculty of Languages, College Development Council, Dr. Zinder Kaur, Board of Study, Mr. Narendra Singh, Board of Study Member, Dr. Sukhwinder Kaur, Academic Panels of History Department. Teaching learning. To make the teaching learning effective and result-oriented, the following steps have been taken. Use of e-content and IC-based pedagogical tools and techniques. Student-centric teaching learning methods like peer learning, interactive learning, collaborative learning, etc. Hands-on training. Emphasis on co-curricular activities such as extension lectures, seminars, workshops, educational tools and field trips, industrial visit, exhibition, tech tracks, etc. Special classes for both slow learners and advanced learners. Enrichment of the library with printed as well as e-resources. Organize a faculty development program and student orientation program, setting up of IQAC. Mary first ranked in university exams. 98 ranked in GATE exams. Which team of our college have won gold medals at university level youth festivals? Promotion of research. The college has constituted research committee and research information source center to promote research activities. The college provides financial aid in form of PADA and proceeding fee to faculty members for attending conference, seminar, etc. The college library is well stocked with 36,000 printed books and more than 100 scholarly printed journals, along with all kinds of e-sources being provided through two consortia, namely Enlist and Delnet. Conferences, workshops, seminars. Eminent personality visits 105 in last 2 years. Extension lectures 67. National seminars 3. Workshop 31. Conference national 4. International conference 1. Department of Computer Science and Department of Library and Information Science have collaboratively started an international sub-journal named International Journal of Information Management and Technology. The Department of Punjabi has started to publish department publications for GAS, and Department of Music Vocal has started to publish Harmony, in which the sub paper and article are published. Faculty's publication. Paper published in International Journal 230, paper published in National Journal 131, books published with ISBN number 132, chapter in books 23, books have edited 2, paper printed in international conferences 93, paper presented in national conference 80, total presentation 432. Assistant Professor Rekha Kalra of Computer Science Department has got the UGC funded minor research project increase of productivity of crop using wireless sensor network. Student research and publication. Paper published in books, international conferences, seminar proceedings A. Books as author 1. Paper presented 59. Research based project 5. Infrastructure. The total area of the college campus is 21 acres, out of which 8,945 square meter built up. At present, the college has following infrastructure facilities: classrooms 80, conference hall 2, seminar hall 3, fully automated central library 1, e-library 1, spiritual library 1, departmental libraries 6, laboratories 23, research and information center 1, media and content development center 1, botanical garden 1, poly house in agriculture department 1, agriculture research center 1, indoor stadium cum auditorium, playgrounds and courts, gymnasium, yoga room, open air theatre, girls hostel, principal residence, transport facility for girls students, cafeteria, recreational spaces separate for boys and girls, staff rooms 12, health center 1, first aid center and 3 sick rooms, daycare center, student sport. And many students of the college belong to economically weaker section. The college, in addition to standing government welfare schemes, provide free concessions and free shift in the following categories: economically weaker, participants of extracurricular activities, fatherless, orphans, physical challenge, meritorious, siblings, staff wards. The college has provided free shifts concession and institution scholarship of rupees 1 crore 25 lakh from 2012 to 17. The college has spent rupees 26 lakh during the last 5 years to provide subsidized transport services to its girl students. To aware the students regarding different government scholarship schemes for SC, ST, OBC minority, in addition to facilitate them to apply for the different schemes in time. The college allows SC, ST students to get admission without paying the fee, though the college receives its claims from the government after a long period of time. Rupees 4 crore has not been reimbursed to the college by the government from last 3 years. Sir, this is the scholarship from government schemes. The amount of these scholarships is directly disbursed by the government in the accounts of the student. Most of the students usually get their scholarship who apply for the same. Our beneficiaries, 4,000 SC student, 400 backward class student, and 4,000 minority community students take benefit in this scheme. Career guidance. To support and guide the student regarding their career development and employment, the college has established the following cells: career guidance and placement cell, entrepreneurship development cell, competitive exam cells. The college has subscribed the portal Alma Bay to connect the alumni and current students of the college with each other and the single platform of sharing their ideas, experiences, and help each other. Study-oriented, congenial and grievance, redressal cell, etc. Our student Parminder Singh was the member of World Cup winner team of India in circus style kabaddi in 2011, organized by Government of Punjab. Our student Sukhvinder Singh was the member of the World Cup winner team of India in circus style kabaddi in 2016, organized by Government of Punjab. Our student Harpreet Kaur got silver medal in Asian Kickboxing Championship in session 2014-15 held in Pune, India. Our student Pankaj Sharma participated in World Amateur Chess Championship in session 2016-17 held in Haldi, Greece. Shubham participated in badminton in World University Games held in August 2016 in Taiwan. Our student Jagdeep was selected for Wushu World University Games held in August 2017 at Taiwan. So these are the international achievements of our sport person. All India Inter-University Youth Festival in session 2013-14. Our student Jagdish Singh won gold medal in folk orchestra in All India Inter-University Youth Festival in session 2015-16. Our student Ribab Singh got silver medal in classical music instrumental in Inter-University North Zone Youth Festival in session 2014-15. Our student Gurjendra Singh got bronze medal in classical music instrument in Inter-University North Zone Youth Festival in session 2012-13. First runner-up in 2016-17 in Inter-Zone Youth Festival, in which the university got first position, and in this way our college secured first position among more than 270 affiliated colleges way, our college secured first position among more than 270 affiliated colleges. The college was second runner-up in the same event in 2015-16. Journal level achievements. The college has been overall winner in Journal Youth Festival of Khalsa Youth Festival since the beginning of this festival, in which about 40 institutes running under STPC take part. New Delhi in 2012 and it presented the Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh direct to it. Our 93 cadets have passed C certificates examination for NCC from 2012 to 16. In addition to this, our 136 cadet has passed B certificate examination of NCC from 2012 to 16. Year of the college, Hardev Singh has got Indira Gandhi National Award. He is the only student among all the colleges of Punjabi University Patiala in history who got this prestigious award. He also represented India in international camp that was held in China. Mr. Amrinder Pal Singh Garewal, Program Officer, has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Award by Punjab University, Patiala. Moreover, our NSS volunteers also represents the state of Punjab in national integration phase camps each year. Taking into consideration the national program such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, International Yoga Day, etc. The college was adopted a village, namely Papde Paike, in which many moments such as health checkup camps, blood donation camps, tree plantation drive, social surveys, etc. have been conducted. The college team have visited various villages and schools for career counseling. The college was conducted summer camps for students belonging to different schools. Our NCC cadets have performed duties to support the administration in conducting the elections. The college also organized seminars on social issues and celebrate functions as Satran, in which the people of local community are invited. For Cancer Relief Fund and Natural Disaster Relief Funds. Sure. Initiative to promote rural girls education. To promote the rural girls education, which has been a major drawback of this area, the college has started visiting has taken the following initiative. Free crash are increasing in this institution. Present 6 students out of 3,501 boys and 2,645 girls, in which 1,671 SC, 600 OBC, 1 differently able. Sir, it is better provide to that now the student from the far-flung areas or joining cities, district headquarters, and even from the other states like Haryana, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh have also become a part of the college. Strength of college with the difference. Highest number of students, faculty members, and courses as compared to other colleges in the district Mansa, in the district and Mansa Barnala Chum. Boys hostel and expanding girls hostel to erect sports stadium to set a sound stadium. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.